In this short demo, I'll be demonstrating the workings of our B2B platform, Auxionize. For the purpose of this demo, I'll be in presentation mode in order to keep the information of other users confidential. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the dashboard menu in the role of a buyer. Once here, a number of different metrics of your business will appear in the form of charts. Clockwise, from left to right, we see the annual turnover chart, which shows your company's turnover in the platform. Next, we see the savings chart, which shows the cumulative savings of your company in the platform for a given period of time. The graph can show both positive and negative savings, depending on the history of the price at which you purchase goods and services. If the trend is such that you buy similar goods and services for less money than you previously did, the savings will be positive. If it is the other way around, the savings will be negative. In our case, the savings are positive. You also have other graphs: registered user accounts, new bidders, reviews, and storage space used. The new bidders graph shows new bidders, who they are, when, and where they have submitted their bids. The reviews graph shows if your company has been reviewed by other companies. This can only happen if a given company has done business with your company beforehand. The next menu is My IPS List. The abbreviation for IPS stands for Interchangeable Product Set. It basically means a tradable item that encompasses anywhere from 1 to 100 products that are interchangeable for the needs and purposes of the buyer. We have two types of IPS: fixed and flexible. The former is used when you know exactly what you want to purchase, while the latter is used when you want to provide the suppliers with some leeway when they offer. So you only list crucial attributes of your desired product or service and leave the rest to them. As you can see in this specific IPS, which is a flexible IPS, we have 93 products and 4 filtered attributes. Hence, adherence to these 4 filtered attributes is sufficient for a product to be included in this flexible IPS. Next, we will jump to the auctions menu. This is the bread and butter of our platform. Here you can see all past and present auctions that have been launched by your company. On the left side of the screen, we have the filters menu, where we can specify our auction search accordingly. We can therefore filter out auctions with fewer than, say, 10 offers, which we'll do here. And we will search for an auction with over 10 offers. In this case, let us go for auction 5263. Once inside, we can see which is the lowest bid by the green coloring. Here you can see the green coloring. Which offer is deleted by switching on the toggle, this toggle here, show all bids. And we can also see the order at which any given offer has been submitted by the numbering at the upper right of each offer. This is the 24th offer and it has been deleted given the red coloring. This is the 27th offer. It is an offline offer and it is the best for 4 products, as we can see. Offers can be sorted by price, delivery, and warranty periods. The offering parties' names are hidden here for confidentiality reasons. However, you as a buyer have complete visibility of all offers and their respective creators, or offering parties, as we call them. The next menu we will turn our attention to is the orders menu. After an auction ends and it is awarded, the next step is to award said auction. After it is awarded, what follows is for us to order. The orders menu summarizes all orders, those from auctions and from IPS list. It is important to know the letter before the order number, N being an IPS list order, and A an auction order. As you can see, this is an auction order, while this is an IPS list order. For the purpose of this demo, we're going to choose order 7215, which has resulted from the auction we saw earlier in the demo. Looking at the order, we see rows for the name of the product, the internal ID based on your ERP system. In this case, it is omitted, the measurement units and quantity of each order, as well as price. Next, we will briefly explore the reports menu. Here, you can execute different reports based on your company's economic activity in the platform. We can get an idea as for how many auctions we have started that have less than 3 bidders each. For example, alternatively, we can filter auctions based on whether they have ended during the weekend. We can view only auctions that have been awarded on an offline offer, which can be seen here, meaning the offer submitted by the buyer in the name of the supplier that has not been registered on the platform. Below the line under reviews, we have the global catalogs, the product catalog, and the IPS library, among them the most important catalogs. The product catalog is a catalog of all 220 plus thousand products created in the platform, organized in a tree-like structure of categories. Then click on the product catalog. For the purpose of this demo, I will click on Services, Building and Constructions, Concrete Works, Reinforced Concrete Structures, and Retaining Walls. The catalog features 5 category levels, each level a subcategory of its parent. In our case, the parent of all categories is the Services category. Then we go to Building and Construction, then to Concrete Works, then to Reinforced Concrete Structures, and then to Retaining Walls. The IPS library is the next menu we will be focusing our attention to. It is the equivalent of the product catalog in appearance, with the difference being that it's a catalog containing interchangeable products or interchangeable product sets, the meaning of which we already discussed earlier in the video. Finally, we have tools to search for each and every supplier by product, category, or name. This functionality can be found in the Companies menu. It is a helpful tool as it allows us to look up the company pages of suppliers, see the assortment of products they have on offer, and form an informed opinion if there are trading opportunities for us. This has been a short review of our main functionalities at Auxionize. In case of further interest, we'll be glad to help you. Thank you.